Okay. Hello, here we are with our new computer and our new webcam, and Emmy is going to tell us what animals say so we can capture for all posterity. Emmy, what does a kitty cat say?
Meow.
And what does a doggy say?
Ruff, ruff.
And what does a cow say?
Meow.
And what does a horsey say?
Neigh.
And a duck? What does a duck say?
That ducks don't say
Quack,
that.
quack.
Maybe demon ducks say that.
Yeah, demon duck says that.
What does Dada say?
What does a chicken say?
Buck, cuck, cuck.
What does Dada say?
Bye-bye.
No. Really? Bye-bye?
What's Doo-Doo say?
What does Doo-Doo say?
Bye-bye.
Oh, well then. Doo-Doo's a little lightheaded. All right.
Apparently.
What does an owl say?
Poo-poo.
Owl says, hoo, hoo,
Poo-poo.
hoo, hoo.
Poo-poo.
What does a birdie say?
Coo-coo.
Tweet, tweet.
Cheet-cheet.
Mm-hmm. What else? Doo-Doo,
Monkey.
you're the keeper of the animals.
Monkey.
Yeah. What does a monkey say?
Ooh, ooh, ah,
What does
Bee.
Doo-Doo say?
ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
That was
Piggy.
very well done. What does a piggy say?
Oink, oink.
Oh, a sheep? A sheep? What's a sheep say?
Meow.
Oh, that's close. Bah. Oh, so right over here is Mommy in her glasses for the last week of her life before she has LASIK done. Any other animals?
You know.
No.
Mommy might need LASIK when she's like 80. You know,
Oh,
in the
maybe.
nursing home.
Maybe. She might wear glasses again,
Hello,
actually.
where?
When she's
Okay.
in the home,
Emmy.
she'll need them.
Emmy, oh, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say, we're done with animal noises. Oh, say, we're done with animal noises.
Moo.
Bye-bye now.
Bye.